Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin immediately by powering the Chromebook and signing in. First, plug in the charger and confirm battery percent and network reachability, then sign into your Google account so settings can sync. Once authenticated, connect to Wi-Fi and accept any available Chrome OS update. This prevents driver and app issues. Make sure to enable backup and sync if you want bookmarks and extensions transferred. Finally, set a short PIN for fast unlock. It's faster than a long password and still secure. Once done with basic sign-in, install the apps you need. Use Google Play for Android apps or the Chrome Web Store for extensions. You'll want Drive and Docs for productivity. Make sure offline access is enabled so files work without Wi-Fi. Next, open settings to grant files app permission to USB or SD cards and configure download locations. Adjust display scaling, keyboard repeat rate, and touchpad sensitivity to match your workflow. Finally, review privacy and app permissions to limit camera and location access. To finish, make sure your important data is backed up to Google Drive and keep local copies of critical files if needed. Learn a few shortcuts: use Search key for launcher, Control plus Shift plus T to reopen tabs, and Alt plus Tab to switch windows because they speed up daily use. Once comfortable, personalize shelf and notifications. If something goes wrong, try a full restart. If persistent, perform a power wash or reset network settings. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves driver or account sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.